Unlock the potential of your basement with EagleRidge's expert remodeling services in Hill Air Force Base, Utah, 84056. Whether you're looking for a functional upgrade or a stylish retreat, we bring your vision to life. Transform your basement into a space that fits your lifestyle. Man Cave. Create the ultimate retreat with entertainment systems, a bar, and cozy seating. Home Gym. Equip your space with workout machines, weights, and mirrors. Home Theater. Enjoy an immersive experience with a projector, surround sound, and recliner seating. Guest Suite. Offer comfort and privacy with a bedroom, bathroom, and kitchenette. Beyond functionality, a remodeled basement can add value to your home while creating a space that truly reflects your needs. Whether you dream of a home office, a playroom for kids, or a game room filled with entertainment, we've got you covered. Wine cellar store and savor your collection in a climate-controlled space. Art or craft studio. Unleash creativity with ample workspace and storage. Game room. Enjoy pool tables, arcade games, and consoles for ultimate fun. Our team ensures top-quality craftsmanship, timely project completion, and a seamless remodeling experience. Let's turn your basement into something extraordinary. Contact EagleRidge today for a free basement inspection, estimate, or design consultation.